Hapon na lang yun.
Okay? But honesty,
May one.
loyalty. But you still
Doon ka, may one.
did what you did. Well, probably. Okay? You did it with sufficient reflection. Okay? Meaning evaluative knowledge. Okay? Sufficient knowledge. Not just concepts, ha? Hindi ibig sabihin, oy, mortal sin yan. Alam mo, bawal.
3 o'clock today.
Ginawa mo pa.
Kaya ano? Reply ka.
Okay? What about full consent of the will?
Para sunod-sunod.
That you committed that act, that you committed that sin, even with what level of freedom? What kind of freedom? Yeah. Freedom of self-determination. Not simply freedom of choice, okay? But freedom of self-determination. You want to be that honest person. Okay? You dream of becoming that honest person. Okay? But still you chose to cheat. Okay? You want it. You have the freedom to do it. Okay? You have the capacity to overcome that temptation. Okay?
Question.
Yeah.
So what is the other freedom? Can you name the freedom? I forgot. Freedom of self... What?
And freedom of choice.
What?
Again? Freedom of self-determination. Freedom of choice. What? Freedom of choice.
Siya absolute freedom, meron absolute freedom.
What is the freedom of choice? Freedom to what? To choose. Freedom to choose. To choose what? Decision to choose okay? What's freedom of self-determination? It is our freedom to
Nakabukas lang lahat yan.
determine ourselves for the present and for the future. Okay?
Third, those are the only freedom.
Yes, levels of freedom. Okay? But it must be that, okay? There must be that freedom of self, the exercise of the freedom of self-determination. Okay? You should have known where you want to be or what you want. Wow, kasi sabihin nyo, sir, paano yan? Hindi mo wala ng tao nagkukulit lang. Mortal sin. Hindi naman lahat ng tao. Hindi ko alam kung ano gusto kong maging eh. I mean, di ba? Wala pa ako naman goal about myself. Aside from yung superficial na gusto ko maging doktor, gusto ko maging ganyan. No, but I don't really think of, you know, what I want myself to be. Okay? But probably, look at this, you know? That's why it's very hard to judge people. Because we can never know exactly where we are in those categories. How much of ourselves are really into the act? Is he just forced? Was he forced by what? Was he forced by the situation? Was he forced by his hungry and empty stomach? Did he really have sufficient freedom? Full consent of the will, that's what alam ba niya talaga yung ginagawa niya? Alam ba niya yung effects? Pag mali yan, yan ang mangyayari. We cannot sense it. Serious matter is something that we can easily, easily know or detect. Of course, if it is terminal. Big deal yung action itself. Okay? The first two conditions. Conditions natin sa sarili. We have sufficient reflection. The third category is on the act itself. Okay? What kind of act was it? Is it serious? What is serious? What is not serious? Of course, when it harms, di ba? Without, kahit anong intention mo, but if it harms, it's serious matter. Okay? What? Or example. What kunyari? Guys, when you ask me like examples, okay? Can you be specific? Okay? Huwag yung, sir, kunyari may taong ganyan. Kasi mahirap. We cannot judge. Hindi natin alam, hanggang hindi natin nalalaman yung kabuuan ng ano. Sige, sample. Anong ginagawa niya? O, anong ginawa niya? Sige muna. Anong ginawa niya? Oh.
Ano ba yung fighting sa fighting? Dami na.
Oo. Yung hold up, yan. Yung hold up. Oo.
Parang isang family ko yung ilang period. Ano yung family? Kasi best friend, totoo. Ang laki yung kamay, tapos isang kit na malambot, na color brown. Pag hinag mo,
Hold up lang, gano'n na kagad.
love na lang kayo.
Bakit?
Hey, Dexter,
Hold up lang, bigay mo na lahat. Magdagdagan ko pa eh.
Secretary, Raphael, Dora. Ayoko Dora.
Oh, serial killer. Magdagdag ka siya. Oh, and then what? And then what?
First awa eh, yung Powerpuff Girls
Oh, sige.
talaga.
Oh, hindi ka nila choice. Anong ginawa ng business man?
Yung kanta. Nakalimutan ko na. Can we start?
Oh.
What?
Oh. So? Teka, sino may kasalanan? Hindi, ano? Oh, siya, ano yung question niya? Dead na siya eh. Oh.
Yung pinapapatay ko, paano pinili patay?
Well, he killed someone. Definitely. Serious matter. But full consent of his will, I wouldn't know. Eh, paano kung talagang halang naman yung tito pa talaga niya? Naging madali sa kanya yung pagpatay. Pakain lang pala eh. Sino ba yan? We don't know eh. Kaya, di ba, mahirap yung, sir, kunyari may ganyan. Pero kung talagang, kaya ka nga pinapapanood kayo ng mga, ano yun, prime time video eh. Although hindi ko na rin napapanood ngayon, kasi late na ako nakaka-uwi. Or, kunyari, kapitbahay nyo, kasama natin dito, yung buhay nila. Kasi update eh, di ba? Sir, kasi bago yun, ito yung nangyari sa kapitbahay namin. Yung mga anak na yun kasi, mag-ganyan state yan, ganyan. Tapos nung naman siya, nag-away-away sila, ganyan. Tapos yung pinag-away nyo. You know, mahirap talaga yung, we don't know. So, vision reflection. Reflection, again, again. Of course, we don't have that luxury of always thinking before acting. I mean, thinking well, di ba? Pwede mo ba sabihin sa nag-usap? Okay? I get back to you, okay? Sandali lang, bigyan mo muna ako ng time. Minsan naman talaga, parang instinctual yung reaction natin. Parang, ha? But again, if you really understand the human person, di ba? What is feeling inside him will eventually come out. Diba? Kung talagang madali sa'yo manakit ng tao, I don't think, I think yun yung unang reaction mo. Diba? But if you really find it hard to hurt anyone, ay talagang struggle ka pa siguro. Diba? Kaya minsan wala naman talagang sinasabing out of the parang biglaan. Okay? That it must come from some thing. Okay? It must come from somewhere inside us. Diba? Wala namang ano yan eh. Wala naman yung biglang ba't mo nagawa yun? Sino ba yun? Diba? Parang ibang tao yung gumawa. No? Okay? Kaya nga, that's their point eh. That's their point. No? What, if we look at yung kalooban natin, if we really train yung kalooban, and if we really direct our heart to God, everything else will follow. Okay? If we always keep that on that track. Okay? On that track. Sige, baka masagot pa nung next topics natin yung tanong nyo. Kasi wala pa tayo sa conscience. Okay? Yan na yun eh, di ba? Conscience. How the conscience works. Sino ba yung conscience? Okay? Pero anyway, tapusin mo natin yung sin, ha? So, basically, those are the three categories or criteria. Yes, there must be those three conditions for us to say that it is indeed a mortal sin. But, again, we realize how hard it is to really say na may mortal sin pala tayo. If in the first place, we don't have those. Okay? Kahit nga naman grabe, pumatay nga siya. You know, in the first place, wala naman siyang pakialam sa Diyos eh. Wala naman siyang commitment. So, in the first place, hindi mortal sin yun, hindi rin sin. In the strict sense. Kasi it's not a breaking of any relationship. Because in the first place, wala na siya. Relationship with God. It was wrong. It's a serious matter what happened. And your culpability is not taken away from you. Of course, diba? In law. Hindi ko mo sinasabi mong hindi ko mo sinasadya. Ang layo. Okay?